Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I just picked up the brand new Tribit Stormbox Micro 3 for about $65, and honestly the design alone might be worth the price. Just look at this white and orange combo. It looks incredibly clean. So now let's unbox it first. Actually, I already unboxed it, and you can see the full video inside my channel. And just today, I just want to share with you about the design on this speaker and also some feature. Okay, as you can see inside, we have a new speaker of the Stormbox Micro 3 and the USB-C charging and the book of guideline. Yes. Okay, keep it here. Okay, that's cool. So as you can see, as you can see, the big quality feels premium for me. You got a wax brick mesh on the front. Yes, this tactile, you know, this tactile orange button that really pops. But is the best part of this speaker is the back. As you can see here, they kept the signature silicone strap for your bike or backpack. But now it's also magnetic. You can stick this to a fridge, a car, or any metal surface. Let me test it for you. I have some metal. Okay, here I have this thing. So you can see. Yes. Okay. So if we're talking about the feature inside, it's packing a lot of thing for a mini speaker. It has the Bluetooth set, give you a massive 45-meter range, and the battery life is a bit up to 24 hours on a single charge. Plus, it's IP68 rated, so it's fully waterproof and dustproof. And get this, the USB port here. Here, you can see it. And okay. Okay, here. So to get the USB port is two-way, meaning it can actually charge your phone like a power bank. And yes, you can charge the power into that too. And you know that this one, it has the 13 watts. It's 30% more powerful than the old version. I'm not doing a sound test today, but stay tuned for the next video where we will see how it actually performs. For $65, what do you think of this look guy? Let me know in the comments.